Yeah, it actually worked this time. So,
Sweet. Hello, guys.
I'm gonna
I.
leave. I'm leaving you in my hallway for a second.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Hold on just a sec. Okay. Might have to meet like this 'cause my baby's being fussy, huh?
Yeah, that's fine. As long as we can all hear each other, that's what matters. So,
Yeah.
Do we have Natalie?
Not yet.
Okay. I'm now taking you down my stairs. And this is my baby right here. Can you see her?
Oh. Okay, wait. Is that a golden doodle?
A Labradoodle.
Oh, labradoodle. Okay.
Yes. She follows me everywhere. All my kids abandoned me. Got married, went to school, so that's
Yeah.
my baby.
Yep.
What's her name?
Oh, Pippa.
Oh, cute.
Pippa. Constantly by me. You see?
Yeah.
Constantly.
Now, are they like golden doodles in that they don't shed?
Yeah. Hypoallergenic. Yeah.
That's so nice.
Oh, that is
Yeah.
nice.
My sister and my really good friend both bought labradoodles, or not labradoodles, golden doodles.
Golden
But they
doodles.
look,
Yeah.
I mean, they
They
look a
look.
lot like yours.
Yeah. They're similar. Oh, look at Afton's hair. I love it. So stylish.
Here. Did you hear us, Natalie?
Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Yeah.
I love her.
What was that?
I love her hairband.
Oh, thanks.
You guys are all frozen. Am I frozen?
Kind of.
Yeah, you're kind of frozen.
It's
All
just.
Oh, no.
Yep, she's frozen.
I'm frozen. In my thing, I'm frozen in a really awkward picture. So that's awesome.
You're moving in mine, so don't worry about it.
Oh, how funny.
It'll work.
All right, well, shall we?
Yes. And
Okay,
why you're all frozen? That's so weird.
hold on just a second. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, so the preparation stuff. Did anyone have any questions? I know I had one, but I can't remember. I have to search through and find it. It might not be in this one. It might be in the homework. Well, we're supposed to go through number 8 together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. It's confusing because I feel like all of the directions are so different on like it just depends on what you look at.
Yeah. That's true.
But on the answer key it says we need to go through it, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. So for number 8, for the first plot, does everyone know where I'm at?
What's that?
You're in the homework 5?
No, I'm in the preparation assignment.
Preparation.
Very last question.
8.
Okay.
What was that, Natalie?
You're on the number 8 on all the QQ plots.
Yes.
Number.
Go ahead. What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say plot C was the one that tricked me.
Yeah, isn't it normal, but like it
It
shouldn't
looks
be?
like it's not normal.
No, it is. Isn't it normal? But I thought it wasn't normal, but it is normal.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Where did you guys? I'm like, hold on. I just need to get the key out again.
Yeah.
Normally, okay.
I got all the other ones right on those except for C. I would have thought that that was not normal because it curves so much, but it said that it's normal.
Yeah. Doesn't it say it's like a small enough curve that it is
Yeah.
okay? You're okay.
Yeah, but see, that's so hard. I guess if it's
Oh,
moving
answers
in
available.
that direction and it's small, I guess that's just what I need to remember. But plot E, it seems like plot E is kind of similar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what was the explanation for that one? Even though the points snake around the line, but this happens with normal distributions. The data are classified as not normal if there is a consistent, distinct curve.
I guess maybe if you like draw a straight line through it, they're all
Yeah.
pretty close. But
Yeah.
I guess with E, they're not as close.
Yeah, and I guess with E, okay, wait, E is not normal, right? Yeah,
Right.
because it's more of a, like, I mean, it's not an obvious snake like the other ones, but it is more snake-like.
I guess
Yeah.
it's true, like what Britton just said. If I just put like my phone in a line on both of those, then you can barely see on plot C. You can barely see the different data points, but you can see a definite curve on plot E. So maybe that's going to be the trick: is putting my phone and determining.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The mathematical tool.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so any questions? Other questions on that?
So E is not normal because
Because it has that S curve at the
Yeah.
bottom.
Yep.
Okay.
Close.
You guys
Okay.
have questions on any of them?
No, let's see.
I
I don't see. So let's see. D was normal, B was abnormal, and A was abnormal, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't think I have any questions.
Okay, so let's move on to the homework. I know I had a question on here.
Me too.
Um,
Oh, I couldn't get the NASDAQ price and volume link to work. Like I kept opening it and then it wouldn't open, which was frustrating. So I couldn't do number 3.
oh, I see what you're saying.
But I'm afraid they're going to have a question on that, like on the homework quiz. And I tried in the SPSS desktop software and in my regular one, and it just wouldn't open. I don't know why.
Huh.
You guys didn't have problems with that?
Let me try to open it.
Yeah.
You said it's the NASDAQ one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
Have you guys had a chance to do the homework yet?
I
Yeah,
haven't got through all of it yet, but
that's what I have a question. I have 2 questions, so maybe we can, and one of them actually is with that NASDAQ or whatever. I was able to pull it up. Is everyone else able to pull it up?
I'm checking right now.
Yeah, me too. Let's see.
Maybe I could just share it and then
I'll try again. I have it still pulled up. I'm going to see if it'll open today. This was yesterday when I was doing it.
because I could try emailing it to you right now.
That would be awesome. Maybe that would work.
I'll just do that
It
because
still won't work. That's so weird.
Do you have the SPSS files or the Excel files?
are you talking to me?
No.
I don't know. I just went to
The link that
the
they have?
Okay.
on the homework. Is that what you guys did? Did you just click the link from the homework?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure out SPSS, whatever.
I
I bought.
began to do that and did not have
Did
luck.
you guys buy it?
I bought it.
I
You
didn't.
I ended up not, and then I was doing this homework late at night, and it was working totally fine through the server. So I don't know if that's going to be the solution for me, is just doing everything super late, so it's not like crazy. But I don't know. I might still end up buying it. I'll
Yeah.
probably wait until the last second until I'm totally desperate. And
I have it, and
Okay.
it's not really helping me. So.
Natalie, I sent it to you.
Okay, thank you.
We'll see if that works.
Okay, let me see.
And actually, my question, I might be able to answer it just because I was doing this late at night, and so maybe I was just not. Okay, so does everyone else have it open? The homework and the.
I'm pretty close. It's taken forever, but
Okay. Let me read through it and see. So my question is just off the first one, in that little section, so number 3.
Gosh, it is so slow.
yeah. Oh man.
It still won't let me open it. That's so frustrating.
That's really annoying.
Yeah, it says like an unknown switch is specified on the command line. Does yours have that?
What?
Mine doesn't say that.
Huh.
It just says Excel cannot open the file because the file format or file extension is not valid. Verify that the file has not been corrupted and that the file extension matches the format of the file.
Let me try emailing it another time. Let me try one more time and see. Oh no.
I have my SPSS up, but I don't even know where to find this file.
So I tried to do the SPSS last night, because on one of the things we needed to create a histogram, so I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I got a little bit, but it's not clear, like the directions are not clear enough for me to be able to do it. It's probably my issue, but I need like more step by step than what they're giving me.
To do a histogram?
Just on the SPSS. I can do
Okay.
it on the Excel. I just can't on the SPSS.
I noticed on the discussion board, like people were just like, we're just giving it, and we don't have any tutoring on it. We don't have any, reading through instructions are really hard sometimes.
Yeah. Oh, I got it. Tori, it worked that time.
Okay, I think what happened is I had downloaded it probably like 7 times, and I think I had given you one of the like other downloads instead of the first one. So that might have been what. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, it works. Yay!
Yeah, mine works too.
Yay!
So,
Oh, well, I'll have to go off you guys.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Yours isn't working at all?
Yeah, it does this. Can you guys see it?
Point it down a little bit.
Huh.
Oh, I
Uh,
don't.
I think mine was doing something like that last night. Are you on the SPSS?
Let's see. I used the link. I've tried the link, just in the homework and nothing. And then I'm trying my own SPS that I bought, and I don't know where to find anything. Like, there's nothing that says NASDAQ price, whatever. Oh,
Okay, did you go to open, like open file?
something came up. Okay. Is this what you guys see? I don't know where this camera is. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
do I have? This is a good day. Okay, sorry. Yay.
Okay,
Okay,
so everyone
sweet.
has it open.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so number 3, I just don't know how to figure that out. So which of the following statements is most correct? Out of the 2 variables, price and share volume, the price shows a more distinct non-normal trend. Out of the 2 variables, price and share volume, the volume shows a more distinct. Wait, those are both. Oh no, the volume shows a more distinct non-normal trend. And then C, both variables are clearly normal. Did you just put, like, how do you decide that? Like, did you guys just put it into Excel? Or how would you do it? Like, make a QQ plot? Or is there something I'm missing?
Maybe we put both of the data points into the QQ plot and then to see which one looks better. I don't know.
So they both, when I do that, they both look pretty messed up, like not normal. Let me see.
Yeah, that's kind of how mine is too.
Are you guys manipulating something? Like, we have the data in front of us, right? So,
Yeah, we do.
okay, so what do we do with that? Like, okay, so out of the 2 variables, I see the price and share volume. Those are 2 columns.
Mm-hmm.
And so, okay, so out of the 2 variables, those 2 columns, the price shows a more distinct non-normal trend. So do we just eyeball it? Like, we're just looking at the numbers?
That's
Trend?
what I'm asking. I'm not really sure, like, how we're supposed to figure out that
Mm-hmm.
question.
Are you guys plugging it in somewhere?
Yeah, I was just plugging it in the QQ plot in Excel,
Oh,
but maybe it would look better in SPSS. But
if
I don't
one
know.
knows.
I mean, it should be the same.
I mean, in SPSS, it looks fairly, like, I don't know, there's kind of a trend, but there's like 2 outliers. And those don't really apply in a QQ plot, do they?
I don't think so.
Britton, where are you getting your QQ plot?
So I made one. So what you're going to do is go up to, let's see. So you go to Analyze. And then you'll go to Descriptive Statistics. And then you'll go down to the very bottom where it says QQ plots.
Hey, Britton, sorry, real quick to interrupt. My QQ plots, I did it on the SPSS, and that is frozen for me right now. So can you give those directions again? Because I need to figure out how to open this now on just the regular. What did you go to?
Okay, so in SPSS, you go to Analyze.
Not the SPSS. Do you know how to do it?
Oh, no, I don't know how to do it in Excel.
It was the I don't know why this is.
So you're asking how to do it on Excel?
Yeah, like just to open the Excel file.
So it's the
Where did we get that from? The quantitative data, it was something like that.
Yeah, so it's in that, but there's a little tab towards the bottom that says QQ plots.
So how do I get back to the quantitative data? I can't remember where I even get that link from.
It was in the homework, the homework tab, right? The homework tab, and
You could probably, if you've opened it before, I imagine it's probably still under your downloads file.
But I opened it in the SPSS, and that's what's not working right now. So I'm gonna try and open it in the normal, in my just regular browser. Let's see, I was trying to remember how I got to that quantitative. I'm sorry. I feel like half of our time is spent trying to figure out like technical issues.
Yeah, exactly.
So sorry.
No, you're fine.
oh my gosh.
Do any of you guys have a way to screen share, or is it just me?
Yeah, I'm on the phone, so.
Oh yeah, you don't. Britton, do you?
I might be able to. Let me.
If you look, yeah, I mean, it would be on the, I don't know, on the Google Hangout screen or whatever. Like if I just move my mouse around up at the top, or no, to the left, it lets me.
I've got it, but there's only certain things that'll let me like show.
Will it let you show the SPSS?
It won't. It looks like it'll only let me show like Word documents.
Oh.
Unfortunately.
Bummer. So yeah, I'll just share what my Excel is doing.
Okay. It should be about the same, so I'll just follow along.
Okay,
Oh,
Britton, I found the Analyze tab.
Oh, perfect. So you'll do that, and then you'll go down to the second one.
Descriptive statistics.
Yep. And then that opens a screen, and you can go down to the very bottom where it says QQ plots. And then on the left-hand side, there's like a rectangular box with price and share volume, and you want to move both of those over to variable. So you'll select one and then hit the arrow.
Okay.
And then you'll select the other one and hit the arrow too. And then you'll hit OK when they're both in the variable box.
You all done, baby? Okay, so this is what I'm getting for the QQ plot with the price. You guys see it?
Yeah.
So that's what the price one looks like, and then let me do the other one real quick. So then for share volume.
Have you sorted yet from lowest to highest?
Oh.
That's what you have to do in order to get it to go in a straight line.
Okay, that makes so much more sense. So like, why is this not?
Yeah, because last night mine did that too, and then once
Okay, I totally forgot about that. Okay.
Oh, you know what? I think.
There you go.
That is so much better. Okay.
I think I told you wrong, Jenny. I think we're supposed to do them separately, not together. So.
Okay.
Because that would make more sense.
Yeah, I think we just do them because now look at the difference.
Okay, so that's the right one. So yeah, this is the share volume, and that one is not.
Yeah, that's not a normal trend.
Okay. Yay! Thanks, guys. That was just me being retarded.
So I would say the volume shows more of a distinct non-normal trend, right?
Yeah, so it's B, and that's the right answer.
Oh, it did? Okay, I hadn't looked.
Yeah, I didn't know how to even figure it out, and then I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, okay. Perfect. So then I have another question if nobody else does.
Go for it.
Okay, so down at the end. Let me find it. Okay, so it's number 15.
That's the one I have a question on.
Perfect. Yeah, so how do you figure that out?
No. I thought it was A.
That might be, I don't know if that's, let me see if that's the right answer.
No, the right answer is B, but I thought it was A.
Yeah, I don't even remember what I thought it was, but I kept doing stuff and couldn't figure anything out. So what do we do? I'm gonna go grab a pen. I'll be right back, but I'm listening.
Okay, I didn't know what to do. I wasn't sure, and so the only thing I thought to do for that was to take the 87.75 grams, which is the lower end, and then do the standard deviation. So I added that to it, and then I did that for the 90 as well. And that was the answer A. But I wonder, actually, now that I'm looking at this again, if maybe I did it. Hold on, let me try something.
Okay, and I need to change a diaper now.
Fine.
No, you're fine.
Fine. I wonder if I needed to do. Oh, bummer. Darn it. That.
Because A is not the answer. Just
No.
And my next guess was going to be 87 and 89.25. But that's not right. I know that you're supposed to get those numbers. I guess maybe what we should do is find out what the difference is. So take the 87.75, we'll take the 88.5 rather, and then subtract it from the 87.5, since that's the right answer, and see what so it is 75. Did I just do my math wrong? Okay, hold on a second. But then, so 91.5 minus. Is there a 1.5?
Let's see.
So the answer is the 88.5, and you get that if you take the 87.75 grams of the chocolate bar and you add the 0.75 gram of standard deviation. That's how you get the first part. Then the other answer is the 90 grams. Oh wait. Then the other part is 90, and it goes up to 91.5, so that's 1.5. I just don't know how you get that one.
Okay, hold on. Just let me wash my hands, and then I'll be able to
Let's see. Oh.
Okay.
Wait, isn't there a rule? Is it like 68, 95, 97 point something?
99.7.
Okay, but 95 is one of them?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it'll be within 2 standard deviations of the mean then.
Oh.
Right, that is too
So
standard.
yeah, the mean is 90 grams, then it would be.
It'd be minus 1.5. Oh, yeah, that's what it is. It's minus 1.5 and plus 1.5. That's what it is.
So it's B?
Deviations. Yep, it's B.
it is.
Okay.
That makes sense. Thanks, Britton.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Oh, it took me a minute too.
I was just
I was
like,
doing like equations trying to figure it out, but
yeah, last night I just kept doing,
One deviation. That's all I could do. I was like, why won't it work with one deviation?
well,
But
I wasn't even doing, I don't even know what I was trying to do, but it wasn't even anything close to that. So I was just making it way more complicated.
uh,
Okay, cool. That makes a lot of sense.
thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Britton.
yeah, no problem.
Does
Thanks,
anyone
Dawn.
have any other questions about either the homework or the prep assignment?
Um,
I don't.
Honestly,
Jen,
everything.
you?
What's up?
Do you have any questions?
Yeah, like everything takes me so long that I mean, I write all these notes and stuff, and I have to go like step by step. And anyway, so I'm not really getting it all, but I'm just gonna keep working at it.
Well,
Well,
do you
what,
have a question?
yeah, what can we help you with?
Um, okay, so like you guys were talking about that. Well, even on like on number 15, I just don't know how to like set it up.
For the homework?
Yeah,
Okay.
but you guys all know, so don't
Okay,
worry
well,
about
no,
it. Like,
you can go
no,
through.
we'll help you. It's fine.
So it's pretty, if you go back to that rule that Britton was talking about, the
The empirical rule. It's the 68, 95, 99.7.
yeah.
yes,
So each of those percentages, they are associated with a number for standard deviation. So the 68%, that's one standard deviation. The 95%, that's two standard deviations. And the 99.7, that's three standard deviations.
got it. Okay. So when you were working this, you're like, okay, so like, even like reading it, it's like the label on the chocolate bar states it has a weight of 87.75 grams. Like just setting up the problem, like how,
So
due
it
to,
says the mean. So when it says, you don't need to worry about the beginning part. It just, you need, standard deviation deals with the mean. So since it's saying that the mean is 90 and it gives you the standard deviation, what that actual number is,
okay,
then you go to the actual question, and it's asking about 95%, at which you know the 95% is the two standard deviations. So in the problem, because remember, the 68 is one standard deviation, the 95 is two, and the 99.7 is three.
okay, yeah,
So since it's asking for 95, you know you're looking for two standard deviations.
okay,
So
okay,
in the problem, it already tells you what one standard deviation is. It's 0.75. So since you're looking for 95%, you know you need to go two standard deviations, which is, 0.75 times 2, or 0.75 plus 0.75, because you need two of those.
okay,
So then you need to find out, you have the mean, so you're trying to figure out where it goes from the mean. So basically you just take the 90, which is your mean, the 90 grams, and you add your two standard deviations to it, which is 75 plus 75, so it's 1.5.
Okay.
And then you subtract it from the mean. And that gives you your width of your standard deviations negative and your standard deviations positive, essentially. Not negative, really, but like below it and above it, rather.
Right.
And then that gives you your answer of if you have your 90 and you minus it by 1.5, that's your 88.5. If you have your 90 and you add 1.5, that gives you your 91.5.
91.5. Oh, okay.
Sorry, I didn't say the whole thing. Next time, Tori and Britton, you guys explain it.
No.
Got it.
You're fine. Does that make sense then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it does. But, I didn't even think to use that rule. You know what I mean? Like.
Your hint is when it says 95% in the question. Whenever it's going to say 68, 95, or 99.7, that's your hint.
That's my rule. Okay, good. I have that all on the little card, the rule, so I see exactly what you were saying. Okay, thank you. See, my other group would have never allowed that to happen. They'd be like, good luck.
We're all
Okay.
in this together.
Yeah.
But the three of you get it, and I'm like, I think I'm going back to my old, you know, old memories. So
what
thank
do you
you.
have a question on?
Let's see. From what you just explained, I can do 16, 17, 18, 19, because it's all kind of the same concept, correct?
Yeah, but it's a little different, but similar.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Let's just choose one maybe and see if I'm on the right track.
Okay. Well, I know there's a couple of different. I think that if we just went over 16 set like one of those, there's a couple different. We're going to be asked that time and time again with just different data points. I think. Don't you
Okay.
guys think?
I think so, yeah.
So if you know how to do that, then you should be okay.
So do you guys mind doing number 16?
No.
Yeah,
No.
that's fine.
Tori and Britton have got it.
I actually don't know how to do it yet. But
Okay, well, I have to think. Okay, so what proportion of the bars actually weigh less than 87.75 grams? In other words, what proportion of the customers is getting less candy than they should? Give your answer accurate to 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
So
the
this
applet.
problem you have to use you have the little applet open.
I do. Woohoo! Yes.
Okay, let me pull it up. Okay, actually weigh less than 87.75 grams.
So you have to set it up before you can use the applet.
you have to find the z-score, is that
Yeah.
right?
Right.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So the z-score it's going to be 87.75, subtracting the mean, which is 90, and then you divide that by the standard deviation. So this is how you set it up. Let me see. Oh, except it's going to be backwards, huh?
No, it showed it.
Yeah, that's right.
Did it show it? Well, see how it's back. Is it backwards for you guys?
It's not backwards.
No.
Oh, okay. It's backwards for me. But anyway, so the z-score is going to be the 87.75 minus 90.75.
Okay.
Yeah, and so it's -3.
Yeah, it's -3. But Jenny, you always, for that, how you know you set it up is you're always using your mean and your standard deviation, and you just can go back to the z-score formula, and then you have to plug in your data value, which is the 87.75.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this under here, this is the formula. So x is the observation or whatever number they give you, which is the 87, and then that's the mean, and then the standard deviation.
Yeah. Okay.
So you guys said it was 3? I can't.
Yeah, -3.
Okay, so then, tell me if I'm doing this right. So then, what proportion of the bars actually weigh less than 87.75? Let me see if I can share the, oh, I can share my desktop. Okay, that looks very confusing, but let me figure this out for you.
You are so fancy.
Okay. So you can see, whoa, baby. Okay, so the
Did you
z-score
guys say you got -3 when you did that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then you put the z-score in, and we're looking for the proportion of people who got. What was that?
Does Jenny see where to put the z-score in the applet?
Yeah, I do. And so the z-score was the -3?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh,
You put the z-score in, and you see the two little red lines.
yeah.
What we're wanting to do is find the proportion of people who got less than the z-score. So you click on, so there you go. Click on just that section, not this whole thing.
Yeah.
This little one on the bottom, and then the area up top is the answer. Is the
The
probability or whatever.
0.0027.
Yeah. And you round it to 3 decimal places. So
I
it's
got
point zero zero
0.0013.
Okay.
Yeah, I did too.
Okay,
Oh, really?
hold on. So the z-score I put, does it matter what box I put it in? I just put it in one of them?
Oh,
Well,
you know what? Yeah, I see what you're saying.
the
Point
z-score
zero,
is
so it's
negative,
0.001.
and so you can either, you just need to make sure that one of them is 3. In fact, if you just put 3 in on the right, then it will automatically put -3 in on the left.
Okay. And did you put a -3? Mine?
Yeah,
Or
it has.
just 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The z-score is -3, but if you put 3 in on the right, it automatically puts -3 in on the left, and vice versa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And
what area are you getting?
I'm getting, well, and then I click from the red bar on the left, just that little teeny portion, right?
Yeah.
You want to know what's
Okay.
less than.
So I got area 0.0027.
Okay, so
Well,
what you're going to do, the same thing
this is
happens.
why I figured it out. So you
Yeah.
have both of them, both highlighted. So
Oh.
go over to the one on the right and click it again. It'll unhighlight it.
Oh, it was
Yeah,
so
it's really
hard
hard to see. I did the same
Yeah, it
thing.
is. It's really hard to see when it's that small.
Okay, so now I have 0.0013.
Yeah.
And that's the answer.
Yep.
Okay.
Because since we were looking for the proportion of bars that weigh less than the 87.75, we just want the stuff to the left.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Less than stuff.
Or that's the proportion of people getting less than. Anyway.
Okay. And then they just take off the 3 because they're just rounding it to 3 decimals.
Yeah.
Right. If that were higher, if the 3 were like a 6, then you would round it up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then it would be 0.02.
Right.
Okay. Thanks, guys.
So do you want to do 17? Do you want to just do the rest of it and make sure that you understand all of the questions, or what do you want to do?
Yeah, well, I don't know what, here I am. This is what I do. Like, I don't want to waste your time. And so.
No, you're fine.
You're fine.
Okay.
It's only if you, and the next one, why don't you see if you can talk it out and do the next one, because it's almost exactly like the one we just did, except with a different number and asking a different end result.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what's the probability that the weight of the randomly selected candy bar will be greater than, so greater than, that's a trigger word, right? Because now we're going to be plus on the right side.
Yep.
Exactly.
Okay. Greater than 91.3 grams. Give your answer accurate to 3 decimal. Okay. So so we're using the same, we're using the information up on that number on 15 for these. Is that right? No.
Yeah, it's all of the
The mean and standard deviation.
4 is what we'll use. So we'll use the mean and the standard deviation.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so then I would do that equation that you showed me, the z equals.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, so I plug in, so now it's 91 grams, let's see. So I do 91.3 minus the mean, which is, let's see, where is that? 90.
Yep.
Okay, and then divided by, and then point, let's see. Okay. The other one was 7.5 because
0.7.
okay, this one is 2. Okay, point 7 is 0.75.
It's still the
Okay.
same standard deviation.
Okay, so then I put that in my calculator, and even there I didn't really know how to do that at first, but now I put it in parentheses, 91.3 minus 90 parentheses divided by 0.75.
Uh-huh.
I get 1.733333.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
That's right.
So then
Okay, so-
round it to 3 decimals.
Okay, round it to 3 decimals, so 1.733. Okay, and then I go to the probability applet,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
and so now okay, so I'm going to put in the 1.733, and then we want greater than, so we take away the blue from the middle and the left and just leave it, just do the right side.
Yep.
Right.
And then is it 0.0415?
Yep.
Really?
Except you just
round it. Yeah.
Except I just round it to 3. Oh, okay. 0.041. Oh, yeah, 2.
Yep.
Yep.
Right.
Exactly.
You did it.
Okay, if I cry, just ignore me. You guys are so sweet. I'm serious. Like, no one did that for me last time. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is so silly. Thank you.
Yeah. So
Woo!
try number 18 real quick so you can know if that's a different question.
Okay, I have to get a tissue. Yay. I'm not too old.
No.
Oh my gosh. I could probably beat all of your moms.
No. Not mine.
Okay.
'Cause you have kids. You have kids still at home in high school. And mine goes to
Yeah.
high school.
Well,
in
no.
so
My oldest is 19.
yeah.
I mean, my youngest is 19. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. Thank you. Okay, so let's do this with 18. What's happening? Let's see. What is the 66th percentile of weights of Chocolux bars? Give your answers to 3. We're looking for a percentile. 66. I'm looking at that rule. There's no 66. I don't know where to go. Like.
Okay. So do you guys? One of you guys want to say it? I feel like I keep jumping in. Sorry.
You go for
Oh, you're
it.
fine.
So on this one, the area. I think this is. I did it yesterday. So if I'm wrong, Britton and Tori, tell me. But I think you go back, and you. Don't you use the applet on this again, even though it's telling you not to?
Well, it doesn't say not to, but
Even though it doesn't specifically specify. Because on this I know what you do. Okay, so you have to, I wrote it down. So you do the, it tells you the 66%. So you do the applet and you put at the area, you put 0.66, I believe, at the top.
Okay.
And so you're finding the 66%, and then after you do that, it'll tell you what the z-score is, right? What does it tell you? I don't have mine didn't open.
Yeah, I do. Do I have to take away any of the blue? Like, that's the part. 66 percentile.
the z-score I think is all you need, right?
Yeah, you don't have to take away the blue. You're just purely looking for what the z-score is once you type in the 0.66.
I'm seeing 0.412.
Yes.
How about you?
That's the z-score. So just so you know, when it's asking you a percentile, you know that you have to go to the area, and since it's a percent, you need to move the decimal over twice, and so you'll always put 0.66. So,
Okay.
you know, so then you look directly down, and that gives you the z-score. So then you use the same formula that Tori wrote out for you, except you
Yes.
are looking for the x this time, and you already have the z because you just saw what the z-score was. So you would put
Okay.
the 0.412 equals, and then fill in the rest of the formula.
Okay. So the X is what?
That's what
What
you're
we-
looking for.
That's what I'm going to look for. So. Okay, keep talking.
So you're still using the same, like all of 15 through 19 is all of the
Yeah.
same data. So if you look at that formula Tori gave you, it says z equals x minus u. So what's that u?
The mu is the up there 90.
Yep, it's the mean. So that's 90. And then it's all divided by what?
The standard deviation,
Yep, which is, what does the problem tell us is?
0.75.
Right. So now, do you remember how to do the algebra? You need to get rid of that 0.75 on the bottom. Do you remember how to do that?
Okay, keep talking.
Okay, so you have to multiply it by both sides. So if you multiply, so you've got your 0.412 equals, then you've got x minus 90 over 0.75. The x minus 90.75, you multiply the whole thing by 0.75. So just put 0.75 off to the side, and then you're just going to cross out the 0.75 on the bottom with that new 0.75 that you just wrote out. Because they cancel each other out, and then you need to make sure whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. So you put the 0.75 multiplied by that 0.412. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So I'm
Okay.
writing that out. Okay.
Okay, so now you've got your point. So what I do is I just do the math. So I do 0.75 times 0.412, and what does that give you?
And so that's 0.309.
Yep, so now you know 0.309 equals what's left on the other side of the equation, which is the x minus 90.
Yes.
Now you need to get that 90 over, you need to get the x by itself, so you need to get the 90 over. So since it's it's minus 90, then you add 90 to both sides. So by adding 90, that cancels out the 90 that's associated with the x, and then you just add the 90 to the 0.309.
Okay.
Did I go too fast?
No. So I just did my math wrong. Right.
Tori and Brittany, you guys are welcome to jump in. Sorry.
No, you're totally fine.
No.
You're nailing it.
Are you guys doing? You guys are doing it too,
Yeah.
or
I
you
just
already did it?
I just went through it again, so.
1.209.
Try your math one more time.
Okay, so you said I'm putting in 0.75
So you do the 0.75 times the 0.412, and you got the 0.309.
Yes.
And then you need to take that 90 and you add it to the minus 90, and it cancels out on that side with the x. But you need, since you added it and it canceled, you need to add it to the other side as well, because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side.
Okay.
So then you're going to take, you already have the 0.309, now you're adding 90 to that.
Right. Okay, I have 1.209. Is that not right?
Are you using like parentheses with your calculator?
Oh. I
Because
didn't.
what I would do, I would just do the 0.75 times 0.412 and then hit the equal sign and then just add 90 to whatever answer comes up on there. It might be a little bit easier.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I do on my calculator usually. Because the answer just is nice. It's right there for you.
Yeah. But let's see if that works or not.
No. Okay. 0.75 times 0.412, and
No,
that's done.
it didn't work. Oh, but it's because you're adding, because you're adding 0.90, Jenny. That's what you're doing. It's 90 itself. It's not 0.90. You're adding a whole number. No, because I just did it, and I accidentally put 0.9, and I got the 1.209. That's the answer you keep telling me.
Oh. Okay. 0.30. Okay.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense.
09 plus just plain 90.
Right.
Mine says 90.309. Like it's not.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's what I've been getting this whole time, and I thought it was wrong.
No, you're good.
No, because that is what we're looking for is the weight of the chocolate bar, or whatever at the 66th percentile. So, yeah.
It's like the easiest math ever when I look at it. I don't even need a calculator on it. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
And none of you laughed. You guys are so sweet.
It's just learning steps. It gets confusing.
It's easy to
Oh. Okay. I got number 18. Woo!
Yeah.
Thank you.
So then 19 is just realizing what that means. So what does it mean that it's in the 66th percentile?
The candy bar is heavier.
Yeah, than 66 of the 66% of them, but that there's the rest of it. Those ones are heavier than that, so it's lighter than the rest of the 34%.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent.
Hey, I think
Done.
you got it.
Thanks, you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, are we ready to brave the rest of it, or do you have more questions?
No, that's good. Look it down. Okay, so now we do the quiz on our own.
No,
The homework quiz, yeah. But
Yeah.
the group quiz we still have.
Yeah.
Oh, we still have. Oh. Okay. Is that what we're doing right now then?
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yeah.
I'm
let's
running to
try
get
it.
I have to get my charger. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm not meaning to jump in. I do feel bad.
No,
Oh,
I
don't
could care
feel bad
less,
at
to be honest, so don't worry about it. Yeah, it doesn't bother me at all.
Yeah, me neither. I feel like whenever I explain things, I say a lot more words than is necessary, so I probably
That's why it's really bad. I'm like, you guys just keep hearing me ramble on.
No, you're fine.
You did a great job.
You did a good
I
job.
don't feel that way at all. Thank you. I don't want to make you feel bad because of what I need.
No, I just. Okay, so I just opened it.
Yep, 18 questions.
Oh gosh. And I already took up an hour of our time.
No.
Oh, you're good.
No, you're fine.
And you didn't take up an hour.
Yeah, I had technical issues. That was my.
We're all talking.
Yeah. I mean, the reason we're in a group is to help each other, so it's fine.
Exactly.
Well, thank you. I think I've just been in the wrong groups because it was just not this experience at all.
Yeah.
Answer
That would make it really hard. Okay. So 1 and 2 we can do on our own. And then 3, the total area under a density curve must equal
1.
1. And then under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis.
False.
False.
Did I open up the wrong?
Did you open up the
Did you open the
homework?
homework one?
Oh yeah.
You're under.
Shoot.
Can you save it for later?
Oh, of course not.
So
Okay.
can you go to your try and open a new browser and
Yeah,
open
Yeah.
iLearn all over again and save
Yeah.
that and then just open up the group one.
Okay.
and I'm sure that she would be willing to work with you. Like if it accidentally gets submitted or something, just
Explain.
Yeah.
you can watch this broadcast and know. Oh yeah, it's just
Okay.
but it's on our system anyway. Anyway,
Yeah.
you're.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sure
So
you.
we're. Okay. Yeah.
So the group meeting under lesson 5. That's the quiz you want.
All right. That's silly. Now I have a charger. There we go. That tells me my my battery or my charger's not plugged in. You hear that noise?
Mm-mm.
Oh, sorry. You're like, sure it does. Okay.
Okay, just tell us when you're.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry. It's just opening.
No, you're fine.
All right. Number 1 and number 2 can do on our own. The total area under the curve must equal 1. Under certain a density curve can drop below the x-axis. Did you already do number 4?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the false.
Yes.
Yep.
Normal density curve is symmetric.
That one's
Yeah.
true, right?
True.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so número 6. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score in this image? That's
C.
C.
right?
Yep.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? Wait. Following elements.
Yeah. So it's B.
B? Okay. Oh, because 1 is the z-score. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm getting confused. Okay, according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
68.
68.
Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places, blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
Okay, but what?
It would be,
So do we go in and put,
I think it would be 0.8413, right? Or 0.841, is that right?
okay, wait, let me,
Oh, yeah.
what portion? Well, wait, okay, so suppose the z-score comes from a standard normal distribution. So did you guys open up another
The applet?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So then the z-score, is that 1?
Right.
That's what I think, yeah.
Okay, so then if we click on the middle,
Then it's 0.841.
I
I
got
got
0.6827.
yeah, that's what I got.
My thing got clicked. Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot to unclick it. You're right. It's 0.683, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Typo?
Jenny, do you see what
Yep. I honestly got it.
Nice.
That's great.
Woo!
Okay, so 9 was 0.683. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose that z scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -2 and 2?
Did you guys get 0.960?
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Let me look again.
I got 0.9545.
I got that too, but in one of the things earlier, it rounded complete. Like, I guess maybe it would be better to round it to 0.955. But one of the things, yeah, I'd say that's probably better to do it. Yeah, 0.955. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
0.9545.
I know what you're talking. Were you gonna say like one of the I don't know. I feel like in the homework there were some questions where they didn't round.
Yeah, there was, but I'm thinking that it may have been because it was a 9 instead of. I think that's probably why it went, because it did go to like say 0.960, but it was probably because it rounded to 0.959, and so they just rounded. So I think that's probably why. So I think doing it this way is best.
Okay. So then we do the same thing with the z-score being 3.
Yeah.
And that is 0.997.
Oh,
I
yes.
0.997.
997. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The values match 68, 95, and 99.7.
They do.
Yep.
Okay. Someone else want to read?
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.66 grams. Okay, and the population standard deviation is 0.07. Use this information to answer questions 14 through 17.
Are you serious?
What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60 grams time? Okay.
Okay, just ignore all that stuff because that's just the what do you call it? Like the I can't think. What is that called?
Research? No.
Just
like centimeters, like the measurement or whatever.
Just the. Why can't I think of what it's called either?
Anyway, it's not applicable. We just need to worry about the number.
Because it doesn't even say what any of the other variables are, so just.
So we just need to find out the z-score and go from there.
Okay.
Well, let's see. Does it give us? Yeah, it gives us the mean, right, and the standard
deviation.
Okay.
So Jenny, this is the same.
That formula thing.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I got 0.196. Tell me what you guys got.
For what? For the actual answer or for the z-score?
For the actual answer.
Okay, let me put in my z-score. Less than 0.196.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
I'll make sure you guys are okay and correct. 1.95, so 6.
Yep.
One
And
point
the next one,
1.96.
But it's 0.196, not 1.96.
right.
Okay. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than?
Uh-huh.
We just switched that.
So did you guys get 0.80480?
Yep. I did.
Okay, wait. So for that one, do you just put in? Is it the?
It's what's above it instead of what's below
Yeah.
the
So
Z-score.
you just select
Okay,
the middle
yes.
part and the upper part.
And the upper part. So 0.804.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. And then less than 70, we need to do the same. Do math again.
Less than. Okay. Three decimal places.
Tell me what you guys get when you get there.
0.284.
Wait.
I need to redo mine then because I didn't get that.
Well, what was your Z-score?
My Z-score was 571.571.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Mine.
And
So less than. Do we do the positive?
It's less
The
than.
middle on the bottom one, or just the bottom one?
Just the bottom because it's
Yeah, just the bottom one because it's less than.
no, but it's less than it would be less than the Z-score, and the Z-score is positive. So you need to do less than what the actual Z-score is. It's not, the Z-score
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so the middle and the bottom one. So that
Right.
would be 0.716.
0.716.
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah.
got.
Good
Okay.
job.
Oh my goodness. Wait, what did you get?
0.716.
I'm gonna rework that after.
Well, we can work through it right now with you.
You
Yeah.
kept the middle and the
And the left.
left. Okay, not
Middle
just the
and
left.
to the left.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
good.
good catch on that. I wouldn't have.
Woo! This is how the test is, people.
Okay. Is everyone ready for 16?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7. And remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. So don't we just subtract the two? So subtract 0.804 from 0.716? Or wait, no, not.
Yeah,
No, it'd be
Yeah, from
0.716 minus 0.196, I think.
Yeah. That's what I meant to say.
wait, hold on. Where did the numbers?
So we want
number
to shade.
13.
So to find the area, we need to shade to the left of each z-score. So that would be 13. The answer to 13
Oh, instead of above it. Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
196.716. Oh, no. We're finding the Z. Let's see.
So it's 0.52.
0.52?
And do we need to put a 0 on there, or
try it both ways. Let's see.
Probably.
I don't think it hurts, but in the other ones we didn't. We just did 0.716, 0.0804.
Well, because
Because they
those
have
had
three numbers. But
But
this
this
just came out to
one
0.52.
Oh, you're saying, my bad. I thought you were saying 0.52.
Oh, no.
I don't think we have to do it. No, yeah, I think we do have to put a 0.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
No, you're fine.
So that one is so confusing to me because it's so simple.
Yeah.
Like it sounds like it's hard, but it's you just subtract and then you get your answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you guys just added the 0 because of the 3 decimal places.
Right.
Just to add that. Oh, man, I wonder if they'd mark you off. I guess they would. So what did you guys get then? Make sure I have that. 0.7.
0.52.
0.
0. Yeah.
0.520. Yeah.
Man, I gotta look at so many things. Okay. Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. So,
So then that
0.35.
one. Okay, wait. How do we do that one?
That's
So
the one where that gives you our Z, like you put the 0.35 in at the area to find the Z
They
score.
give you the Z-score, and then you plug everything in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Z-score is 0.385. Is that what you guys got?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Algebra.
Tell me what you guys got when you get there.
65.973.
Okay, I'm gonna redo mine. Hold on.
Well, I might have done it wrong too.
Let
Never know.
me start over because I did not get that. Hold on.
I got 0.687.
That's what I got.
Did you guys do a negative 0.385?
No, so 0.385
But it
is
should be negative, right? Because it's the 35th percentile.
oh.
Are you
Is that right?
serious?
You're right, because it shades just that left. Yeah, you're right. I didn't even notice that.
All right.
That's a great call. It should be negative.
Okay, so
Oh.
let's rework this again. Okay, wait, but what did you get? I got 0.633.
That's what I got.
I got 0.973, but let me try it again. Oh yeah, I must have done something wrong. Well, let's see. Yeah, I get 65.973 again.
Well,
Let's see. So we have let's just
all
the-
the protein requirements are really small, so I doubt that it would be that much bigger.
Let's go through it step by step and check our numbers.
Okay,
yeah. So we've got, I guess in the formula, negative 0.385
Yep.
equals x minus 66.
0.66.
0.66.
I
Yeah.
bet that's where.
Yeah, that's got to be where I screwed up.
And divided by 0.07.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then you multiply 0.07 times negative 0.385
Yep.
gives me negative 0.02695. And then you add 0.66.
Okay, and then you got 0.633.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, thanks for clarifying that.
I wrote down all those steps. I'm going to work it through again. Let's go on 80 percentile.
Okay, so then same thing, right? You do 0.8.
Yeah.
So that gives the z-score 0.842. And that's positive.
Yeah, this time it's positive. That's actually good to know, though. I wouldn't have thought of that before.
I definitely wouldn't have done that. Thank you, Britton.
No, thank you guys.
So I got 0.719.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
0.719.
Yeah.
I would say you guys are right.
Do you get how to do that though, Jenny? You're still just plugging in the numbers, just like we did on the homework. That
Yep.
you just have to do the algebra again. Remember when you were laughing about not needing the calculator?
Yes.
That's exactly what we're doing right now.
Yes. No,
Okay.
I have that all written out from the last time. It just takes me. I'm like literally crossing out, canceling out.
Yeah, that's fine.
0.719, people.
Awesome. All right.
Right. We nailed it again.
Oh.
Yay, 100! I love seeing 100.
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
And the last homework quiz for earlier this week was much better than last week's, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Sweet, guys.
I didn't answer the first two, and it said you're not done. I'm like, what?
Oh,
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay.
Nice.
all right.
Good work, everyone.
Thank you all.
Yeah,
No,
thanks, guys.
no, really, thank you all.
No problem. Okay, we'll
Alright.
see you next week.
Okay.
All righty.
Sounds good.
Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye.